Downtown Oranjestad. Morning. Thank you. Thank you. So right by the port, and there is actually taxis that offer, and you can see the price already. So it's transparency here in Aruba right away.
So just to go to the
Yep. Already gives you the price, so that's pretty good. And then it says right here there's a $30 island tour. And then there's one bus here that offers maybe a sightseeing tour. So right when you get off the pier, there's taxis and bus tours that they offer.
I like that they have the price there.
Maliit lang kasi ito. So the town is on the other side. Layo pala. Walang shuttle. One thing I noticed here, they don't have shuttle that brings you to the front of the entrance of the terminal of the pier. So most ports actually offer that, especially if they have a big pier and there's multiple cruise ships actually dock. Usually offer shuttles. They might have one, I'm not really sure if they do, because when we got off the ship, we didn't see any. Yeah. What? Ano yan? No, for one lang. Lahat na sila doon.
Yes.
Not yet, thank you. So it says right here to town. And in this section, the stores, small stall here are open. Right now they are closed. Aruba. Okay, so if you want to go to town and you just want to walk, they don't have free shuttle that offer if your ship is actually far from the entrance, unless they are docked here. But yeah, just FYI. so we're now exiting the pier, and then this is the entrance of the port. And we're just following the city center, which is the downtown of Aruba. And right when you're outside, you'll see some people offer tours.
Island tours, I think. Okay. Inside raised the price yesterday.
So right across the street, there's souvenir shops that sell bags, caps, and t-shirts. Good morning, thank you.
What I noticed here is they already have prices with insurance, and they are way lower than other ports.
Yeah.